American sea lion that lives here. And according to our trainer, she is the smart cat. Oh, what's with that? Her name is Jenny. Together with Ramsey, say hi. While on the other side is the eldest female, South American sea lion that lives here. And according to her trainer, she is the sexy, yeah. Hey, tiger. Her name is Sandra. Together with Jennifer, say hello.
Hello.
Now let's continue. So guys, do you have any idea why they are called sheep or better to the marine mammals? Any idea? Do they have feathers? Well, let's ask them. Hey ladies, do you have feathers? Well, the answer is no. It's actually because of their front flippers, which are shaped like a bird's wing. Zero. The third effect may also be translated as swim-footed, since their flippers do look somewhat like wings. In fact, they appear to be flying underwater as they swim from place to place. Right, ladies? And you know, they often sing like a seal because they look very much alike. But some differences between a seal and the sea lion is the fact that they have bigger, broad flavor. And they also consider back flavors something seals cannot do. As a result, they can walk right while on land. And that's a fine demonstration how the rubber cross will be and you know what, guys? They have this law and flexible neck. How flexible? We'll check this out. So flexible, right? How another crocodile brand. As you can see, their bodies cover the people of short here. And the whiskers help the sea lion stand the trunk. They contain nerve fibers which make them sensitive. Oh, what a nice smile. Hey! They also use their whiskers for any navigation or to detect vibrations from play in the water. And their small external ears give you a sense of hearing, both above and below the water surface. Sea lions, like any marine mammals, can see both above and underwater. They have a C9 what? No color vision. In the wild, they inhabit waters close to the shore, rock-handled with typhoons, and they have a preference for rocky beaches. They have excellent climbing abilities, which can easily scale rocky cliffs. Check it out. Very strong crop flavors. And now let's talk about their swimming abilities to the start with Jenny, the smartest. Sea lions generally cruise at around 11 miles per hour using the rolling movement of their front flippers, while their back flippers are stretched out behind their bodies, functioning as radar for steering. And that's the normal swim. Nice and easy. Thank you so much, Jenny and Trinity. But with chasing the prey or escaping from predators, they can achieve a burst speed up to, ladies and
Ride
gentlemen,
my bilin.
25 miles per hour. And in a journey across swim, I want to run out to a full control. Okay, yes. Great job, Sandra. From there, see? Ooh, nice job. And another one. This is so good.
Cute
So this
naman.
is an interesting story about our sea lion. Did you know that the U.S. Navy has trained a pair of them to make part of special operations? Yeah, that's right. They are able to hold their breath for up to 20 minutes and they can dive hundreds of feet. Abilities that even the best Navy divers would be envious of. And since cannot be detected by a radar underwater, they are taught to recognize in a voice underwater line. Alright, ladies, are you ready? Well, then, good. Now let's march. Ready? Up, 2, 3, 4, up, 2, 2. Now this time, guys, would you please join our Sita and friends in a salute in the count of 3. Everybody please salute and make this one now. Alright, guys, are you ready? Hey guys, I can hear you. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Alright, let me count. 1, 2,
2,
3.
3.
So everybody. Thank you so much. When sea lions are also super and recover equipment from the water. It's Europe. Alright, one word. 30. Alright, ladies, get those drinks. And they got it. I want a round of applause for Tina's friend. Please go, ladies, to the good friend. And they asking for it. Alright, players, after the race was next, we have the ball. So how do you think we get the ball? It says, on. Careful, ladies. Almost there. It's ready, yeah? Alright. Alright, I think we've done everything. The ball is the ring and the ring the ball. Now let's move on. Now this time, guys, would you love to hear that number from our C9 friends? Hey guys, first energy. Would you love to see them dance?
Yes.
Now, let go, Michael. Come on, players, C9 friends. Let's move it. Clap your hands, everybody. All right, ladies, to the end, side by side. And up for a first time there. Into the water column. Let's burn. Come on, Sandro. Nice to and around the world will go round and round. Let's go, ladies. So let's go, boogie time. Take a bump up. And our favorite word, boogie check. Check those booties. Come on, Jennifer. Yeah. Keep on rolling. Nice ball. All right, ladies, so that's 1, 2 come. And ready, you're coming out. This is the best part. Ready, huh?
Wow.
For the finale. Ready. And let's go! And another one for the winner of the world is.
Yeah.
We hope you all enjoy spending your afternoon here at Aquatic House and New Contract, the South American Sea Lion, Jenny and Sandra. And also hope that even after you leave, you will take this experience with you wherever you go. And remember that what we do here on land greatly affects our friends in the sea. Sea lions, like any marine animals, can survive in a tropical environment to keep our surroundings clean. Aside from nature, there are many other ways to learn survival all over the world.
Ah.
trafficking and illegal hunting. You can learn more about this inside our scenario. Always keep in mind that we are the spirit of time and not equal
Ano, oy, hapit na human.
what we can to protect and conserve all inhabitants in the Mother Earth, including ourselves. Then we have our fellow Vincent Yenny,
Wala yun na to eh.
and Sandra. And also here at the Barangay, Manila Ocean Park, we would like to thank everyone for visiting us today. We will welcome back and visit again.